Hi, my name is Iman. I'll be doing a look for Foschini Beauty. It's all about being a warrior, and for me, being a warrior is about your personality, and that's what it speaks to your makeup. It enhances you. So for me, being a warrior is what I'm going to do today, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Generally, I do my eyes first because I don't want it to blend into the foundation. And today I'm using the Eye Power from Foschini. It's the color palette. I'm going to start with the red. So I'm just going to go into it with my brush, and then we'll walk in and step by step we'll be doing it together. Because I'm not a makeup artist, I'm a makeup enthusiast. I'm not that knowledgeable about brushes, but I think they call this the blending brush. So just hold it towards the end. Don't worry, I kind of know my things, but not the makeup artist way, but I know my things. So you're just going to walk into it and crease on each eye. Right, let's move on to phase 2. So we're going to include, because I have, it's more of it when you're a darker skin tone, the yellow just goes in, blends in very well into just the inner eye, just to have that pop of color. We're moving into what I'll be using today, this foundation, which is the All Woman Foundation Stick. It works better because I love a glow, so that's what I'm going to be using today. Ooh, getting right in there. Okay, and that's foundation. It's full coverage, wow, and it blends right into my skin. Naturally, I just usually use like artificial lashes if you want to give it a real bang, but this mascara is great for the bottom lashes. I have non-existent eyelashes, so everybody else has like great eyelashes, good for you. Okay guys, now that we're back from the struggle, we're going to contour. My favorite part of the day. So I'll be using this contour palette. It's this color because my skin tone's a bit darker, but if you're a bit lighter, I mean, you can choose. It depends on the variety, like your skin type and your skin color, but it's quite a variety. So I'm just going to use this color. It'll look better for me and it'll bring out more of my cheekbones. I'll be using the contour brush. So this is great because it just fits immediately, like into your cheekbone, just below the cheekbones and just here. Second last part of our warrior look, we're just going to take the gold eyeshadow and add some strokes and lines. We'll move right in there. Next step is lipstick. So I'll be using the Lip Liner Plus Lip Crayon before I apply my lipstick on, just to give it that kick, that beautiful color. So it's a dual lip liner, and we'll just use the other side and go in there with that.